Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Pinterest. So let's get started right away. If you have not logged out from your account on any web browser, then open up this web browser first. After opening it up, just type in pinterest.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now directly be taken into your Pinterest homepage and you will see various different pins based on your account preferences since you have not logged out. If you wish to log out from your account, simply click on the drop-down menu at the top right corner and then click on the Logout button at the very end. Once you click on this, you will immediately be logged out from your Pinterest account and taken back into the Pinterest homepage. If you wish to log back into your account, you can click on Login once again at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.